Rahim, respected head of convention, honorable guests, teachers and dear brothers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, in front of you all, I would like to words in my thoughts on the topic values of Islamic society. Dear brothers, those values on which we pride without any suspicion. Those values which are our perception, those values which are our identity, those values which are our basic principles and requests, those values which are also the limitation of us in Arab, so on the island of Malaysia and Sri those values which distinguish Africa, America, from Europe to Australia and New Zealand. Those values which we did not get from stories and books, rather we get by our own personality. Dear brothers, values were originated by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and due to him they approached us. Those values which were protected in the era by Hazrat Abu Bakr, Hazrat Umar, and then in the era by Hazrat Uthman and Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu ajma'in. So now, these values interest me and all of you because it's a mandate that we have pervade to next generation. So what are the Islamic values? And did we conserve it or not? It is a question that we have to ask by ourselves. Beloved brothers, by one of our social class, they just understand worship and the values. By another social class, they just give the name of Islamic values to some advances. So what are the Islamic values? Now I will tell you what are the Islamic values. Beloved brothers, we believe that some relatives also live with Islamic values, but not on the space between worship, address and tradition. These values teach us in the yard of prayer how Muslim is, how civic and allowable he is. If it's a yard of battle, he left his personal ego, prejudice and up this word against injustice. These values teach us respect, paramount us with hyper-civilization, which tell us glory of a father, respect of a mother, and these values teach us lifting something abstract and then to foreign affairs. But unfortunately, now these values have been shifted in justice stories. And just the stories of the past left out to tell someone. Now, in this era of lockdown, our values and gifts are going away from bit by bit. So come and take an oath that we will get in afresh and will protect the values not only by sheets, not by paper, not by stories, but by certain personalities. And the day of judgment in front of Allah, we have to be retired. Pray to Allah that He will give us the strength to act upon it. Thank you.